In the business review this week, culture meets fashion designing. We'll explore Gifted by Veronica.
It's now more than a song. Jamrock has found a new home, not on a stage, but on a t-shirt. This signature design is gifted by Veronica, the brainchild of CEO Veronica Smith.
I was working at the airport and then COVID came and we were home for a few weeks. All the aircraft packed and everything, we weren't working. So I was bored. So I asked the Lord to just lay something on my heart, and out of it came my t-shirts.
But it wasn't until February 2024 that what started off with $200 to purchase a few t-shirts moved from a side hustle to her 9-to-5.
Everything I touch, it literally turns to gold.
Now, she has several designs, redefining what it means to wear Jamaica, not just as fashion, but as bold declarations of culture and pride.
Then there's a Gifted and Black. There's Made for Greatness, there's Timeless, there's She Is, there's Jamaica Above and Beyond, there's Pretty Little Jamaican, there's a new one that I have that's Jamaica Established 1962, and the demand for that is just exceptional.
However, Ms. Smith admits that the journey hasn't been without challenges. While her business is generating a profit, much of it is reinvested to cover ongoing expenses. For now, she's focused on fine-tuning her designs with aspirations of reaching the diaspora market. She also envisions a physical location.
Every day I go on the road, I'm like asking the Lord to just, prepare this place for me, because I'm looking. I'm even thinking of even getting a container and fix it up real nice. But then where do I put it? I'm just excited about it. I don't know what God have in store for me, but I know it's something good.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.
The Business